What's up, everybody? This is Jesus Esparza. Let's get ready for the Esparza Monster Truck Sign-Up Series number 54. Yep, those are the 24 trucks, but those are all the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. And these are the trucks, those participants who are already selected. Smash Squash by Tej Maniac 43. Spur of the Moment by Nicola Ivory. Ivory. That's kind of confused me. Bigfoot by Pinchy 08. Hot Wheels Racing 1 by Connor Dogie. One Bad Goal by Nathan Williams, the Old Schooler 99. Twin Mail by Monster Jam Collector Racing. Chassis Snapper by Random Andy. SpongeBob SquarePants by the Corruptor 107. Roger Dodger by Blue Thunder 2003. Demo Derby, known as Lego Fan 506, aka Mark Galloway, aka MT Fan / Driver 316. Boneshaker Monster Myth by Walker Fan 500. Mega Rex by Anthony Garcia. Steer Clear by Angel M. VA Bomber by the Camera 9785. Milk Monster by The Myth Gamer. AJ Styles by K. Anapole. Motorsaurus by Monster Jam King. Hot Wheels Police by Garrett Hansen. Chewbacca by MG. Tiger Shark by Traxxas Monster Truck Live. Spider-Man by Antonio Rodriguez 3. Hooligan by Curry Gaming. Baja Buster by Hobby Buddy 99. And John Cena by Frank Triplet. Alright? Those are the participants, and I'm gonna get this track set up. I'm gonna do it on my bed this time. So, yeah. Alright, let's get started, and I'll be back in a bit once we get the track started. Alright, we got John Cena versus Roger Dodger, and this is the obstacles will be look like, so yeah. Let's see how's it go. Roger Dodger wins. Next up, it was Hot Wheels Police versus Hooligan. Ooh, it was Hot Wheels Police. Okay, yeah. That was kind of weird on Hooligan, but Hot Wheels Police moves on. Next up is Hot Wheels Racing 1 versus Bigfoot. It was Hot Wheels Racing number 1. Next up, Demo Derby versus V8 Bomber. Demo Derby. Chewbacca versus Steer Clear. And it was Steer Clear as a winner. Motorsaurus versus Baja Buster. Whoa. I need to check on that one. As a result, that Motorsaurus just touches the pillow first. Yep, that means Motorsaurus is moving on. One Bad Goal versus Boneshaker Monster Myth. Whoa, that was crazy, but I'm not sure who went to the furthest, but let's see if I could check on this. Let's see. Had to get it straight, and voila, there's the result. One Bad Goal was the furthest one, so One Bad Goal is moving on. Tiger Shark versus Spider-Man. Interesting race, but Spider-Man goes the farthest, and Spider-Man moves on. Twin Mill versus AJ Styles. Whoa. It's AJ Styles. Smash Squash versus Milk Monster. And it was Milk Monster. Spur of the Moment versus Chassis Snapper. Whoa. Man, that was wild. But Chassis Snapper is the winner. Final round of round number 1. SpongeBob SquarePants versus Mega Rex. And it was Mega Rex. And these are the trucks are going to be in round number 2. Round number 2 is underway. Roger Dodger versus Hot Wheels Police. And it was Hot Wheels Police. We have the 2 trucks comes from Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Live. Demo Derby versus Hot Wheels Racing number 1. Whoa. Man, crazy jump, but it was Hot Wheels Racing number 1 took the win. Next up, Steer Clear versus Motorsaurus. Steer Clear. One Bad Goal versus Spider-Man. It's One Bad Goal. Next up is AJ Styles versus Milk Monster. Whoa, it's AJ Styles. Last round of round number 2. Chassis Snapper versus Mega Rex. It's Chassis Snapper. These are the trucks, so I'm moving on to round number 3, but we need to fill in the other 2, but I'll go ahead and select only 2 to see which of these 2 will have a chance. Here we go of round number 3, but I changed it up a little bit, you know, let's see how that goes. But Hot Wheels Police versus Hot Wheels Racing number 1. Whoa! Man, they were close, but let me see who went to the furthest. I can't tell, but this is a very close race, but it's kind of hard to see in the dark, but or probably sunshine something. It looks like it was Hot Wheels Police, just barely. So yeah. So I'll give Hot Wheels Police to move on. I might gotta change these up a bit because it's kind of harder because it always moves around, but it is what it is. But we need to get this going. Next up, it was One Bad Goal versus Steer Clear. Whoa, nice. But man, they went jumping, but let's see what's the furthest, and it looks like Steer Clear barely made it, so Steer Clear is moving on. Next up is Chassis Snapper versus AJ Styles. It's AJ Styles. Last round of round number 3, and which of these trucks will have a last chance to move on to the semifinals? Demo Derby versus Baja Buster. Oh man, that was crazy, but let me see who went to the furthest. It looks like Demo Derby. Demo Derby is nearly closest to the furthest, but yeah, Demo Derby moves on. Yeah, because I can see right here, so yeah, Demo Derby's the furthest. And these are the 4 are in the semifinals. Steer Clear versus Hot Wheels Police. Man, yeah, that was kind of weird, but Well, it still counts. Steer clear went to the furthest, so it still counts. So steer clear is in the final round. Who's got to be facing steer clear in the final round? Demo Derby or AJ Styles? Let's find out. Whoa. Very close call, but, you know, let me see. It should be AJ Styles. So yeah, AJ Styles is in the final round. This is it. This got to be the final round to see who's going to be the winner of the Esparza Monster Truck Sign-Up Series number 54. Who will it be? Will it be Steer Clear by Angel M? Or will it be AJ Styles by K. Anderpole? Yeah. The Opticals is ready, and let's see who the winner is. 3, 2, 1, go! And it was Steer Clear. Steer Clear is the winner. And congratulations to Angel M and Steer Clear. You are the winner of the Esparza Monster Truck Sign-Up Series number 54. Congratulations. If you'd like to join my sign-up series in the future, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and hope I'll put you in, and I'll see you at the Esparza Monster Truck Sign-Up Series number 55.